I know a lot of us are fed up with the fake, over the top world of social media, especially now with inflation and these tough times. It seems that we're craving something real, something authentic, and a more stress free life. It also feels like everything's getting more expensive and complicated, and we just want to simplify and get back to the basics. That's what brings me to my first point. I'm not perfect and I don't claim to be perfect or zero waste, but underconsumption plays a huge role in buying and using less. This directly reduces waste and conserves resources. I've been talking about this for years on my channel and how using or working with what you have, as long as it still works and serves a purpose in your life, can make a big difference. Just think about it. Every time we choose to repair something instead of replacing it, or decide to buy secondhand instead of new, we are making a positive impact. It's not just about saving money, although that is a big part of it. It's also about reducing our environmental footprint and promoting sustainability. If more people adopted this mindset, the collective impact could be huge. We'd see less waste in the landfills, fewer resources used to produce new items, and a shift towards a more sustainable way of living. It's a small change in mindset, but it can lead to big results. Imagine the positive impact on our planet if more people started to think this way. Now, underconsumption isn't just good for the environment. Like I said, it's also great for your wallet too. And this is another thing that I have talked about for years on my channel, and that is reusable items, saving your glass jam or tomato jars for storage, and getting your clothes tailored instead of buying new ones all the time can have a huge impact. These small actions help cut down waste and save money. When we see the value in what we already have, we make fewer unnecessary purchases. Of course, this will lead to a significant savings and more sustainable lifestyle. Instead of mindlessly buying things, you start to focus more on what really adds value to your life. This means fewer impulse buys and more thoughtful decisions. Remember that it's always about quality over quantity and making each purchase count. Like I said at the beginning of this video, people are getting fed up with fake curated world of social media that promotes overspending and unrealistic lifestyles. Especially nowadays, times have definitely changed, and I think a lot of people are waking up that lifestyle, it just isn't it. And I feel like it's more of a breath of fresh air to finally see regular people online sharing items that they reuse or repurpose, or driving older cars that tend to run better than newer ones. For the past 7 years, I have shared a lot on my channel when it comes to reusable items, quality over quantity, working with what you have, and not being embarrassed or afraid of what others think when it comes to you wearing the same thing all the time, and just not being embarrassed with your lifestyle. I'm really happy that I'm seeing this trend, and I hope it sticks around because, like I said, I've been doing this for a long time, and it is so nice to see something so valuable go trending because, like I said, we live in weird times where money is hard to make, hard to save, and again, working with what you have and saving your money is far more important than any item you'll ever buy on Amazon, any haul you'll ever see online, any new car. Working with what you have, especially if it's not broken, like the saying goes, don't fix something if it's not broken. And I'm a true believer of that because I have gone through a lot in my life, and this lifestyle has changed my mindset about money, the things that come into my house. Of course, you're going to make mistakes. That's what life is all about. But learning from those mistakes It's what's more important than the actual mistake, if that makes any sense. I also want to add in that it's not just online, also in the real world. I know people will get hate from friends, family, coworkers. I've been there, especially when it comes to changing up your lifestyle for a better future for yourself. But try to keep in mind that what other people say about you and your lifestyle doesn't matter. The only thing that truly matters is if you're happy and you're content with the choices that you have made, especially when it comes to your future self. So, in other words, this underconsumption core trend is one that I fully support for the first time ever supporting a trend. But I hope people see that it's not just another trend for likes, views, or popularity. It's more about living a normal, fulfilling life and sharing that with others, because I talk about this all the time on my channel where obviously knowledge is very powerful, and the more you know, the more you grow. And it's so important now more than ever for all of us to work with what we have, stay connected to each other in a more authentic way. I swear, by embracing this mindset, we can all make a difference, not just for ourselves, but also for our communities and the planet, and also our future generation. So let's show that living simply and meaningfully is the true path to happiness and sustainability.